Hi Gemini, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of October is going to be for you, your health, wealth, relationship, money, career, your soul growth, your soul path, your mental exercise of the month, chakras of the month, what is one thing that you need to take care of for whole of the month, and if you follow the advices, how will those change the energy of the month for you. So let's just begin the reading. The cards this month kind of show that this is the month where if there are things that you've been holding upon to, or there is a wall that you've created around you, there are emotions that you've left unaddressed, there are things that you've kept to yourself but not really solved them or not really addressed them. This is the month to address all of them. And if there is anything that is into your head, that's inside you, that's keeping you into problem, or that's bringing imbalance into your life in either ways, hormonal or otherwise, this is the month where you address that. This is the month where you get power over it, and if you do, this is the month of growth for you, and this is the month that will get you growth from all walks of life. This is a very good reading for growth, because there are a lot of major arcana growth related cards that are there in your reading, and that's why I can definitely say that if you address your emotions, if you come out of your shell, this month is going to be very, very good for you. And if you clearly say things that you mean, so this month, this is going to be one thing which is going to be very important, that this month do not try to say things that are not actually there. Do not try to I wouldn't say hide the truth, but do not try to misguide the truth or lie or say something else, and when you're experiencing something else and you're saying something else, that difference should not be there just to please people or just to impress others. That thing should not be there in this month. Just be into your power, your passion, and with controlling your thoughts and mind. This is a very important month. If we talk from your health perspective, this is the month where I don't see a lot of health problems, other than there could be something with the dental health. So because she's opening the jaw of the lion, so there could be something with the dental health. Also there could be something with the headaches. These are two things that I kind of see on your cards. But with the headaches, I can definitely say that will happen if you think too much, or if you are too much into your emotions, you're not working upon yourself, then you will experience these headaches. Otherwise, there is growth, there are good cards, so there is not much of the problem that I kind of see on your cards. With relation to your money or your health, the card of abundance, King of Pentacles, is there. So there is nothing that you should be worried about money. There is Empress, there is growth. So overall, it's a good spread for money as well, and I don't see anything for which you should be concerned about or should be thinking about whether money will flow, whether you'll have enough, whether you'll not have enough. Definitely it's a good month with that. Just stand your ground. The only thing that I will tell you with your wealth is that one, don't go for putting in your money somewhere just to show others or just to impress others, and second, stand your ground. If we talk about from your love or relationship perspective, if you're looking for some new person in your life, this is a good month. The person will come into your life, whether there is Empress, there is King of Wands, whether it is a female that you're looking for or a male that you're looking for, the person will definitely come into your life. But the problem is that if you do not express yourself, if you do not speak up, or if you've created a boundary wall around you, how will the person come? How will somebody get in touch with you? How will somebody, so there is an aura that you carry where it is like, I'm not available, or the aura says that you can't get into my zone. So that aura, if you're carrying, the person will not be able to connect with you, and that is why it is important for this month for you to let go of that aura, and if you do, then you will be able to find a connection. If there are people around you, you're already into a relationship, if you're already married or into a good relationship, the relationship can actually grow further and more beautiful, provided you address the emotions, because there are a lot of things that you're hiding within yourself and you're never expressing them, and that is why it is very important to speak your heart out, because if you speak your heart out, you'll move towards growth. You'll be amazed to see how people respond to you. They might just listen to you, they might just respond to you with much more compassion, much more empathy, which you never knew. So this is the month where you either ace your emotions or express your emotions. This is very important for you. If you are already into you're married and you're looking forward to have a baby in your life, this is a good month for pregnancy, and it's a good month for parenthood. Just that if you are going for it, ensure that all the tests that you need to get done, you get those tests done beforehand. So medical help will definitely be required, and if there is any up down with hormones, get that tested. Otherwise, if you are into a family, like a happy family, everything is there, just ensure that you have to work for everybody's growth, and you have to be yourself, and you have to express yourself. That's very important. When you express, if there is something that is hurting you, you don't have to keep that hurt inside you. You can actually express it. You can actually tell that this is what is hurting me, can we stop doing this, and you'll see the impact, but you'll have to do that. So express yourself, or if you don't want to express it, then stop getting hurt by it. So that is something that you have to do. If you talk about your job or career, this is the month of growth, but this growth is going to come by taking other people along you, because this growth is not going to be only your growth. This is the growth of people, your growth, and the growth of the people around you. So it's going to be the teamwork, and that is why it is important that you stand your ground, but at the same time you connect. And when you connect, then the growth will definitely happen. If you're looking forward to some kind of change of place, or some kind of transfer, I see travel on your cards, but I don't see a travel like a change of a place, or like a transfer. I see it more of traveling, like going somewhere and coming back. That kind of travel could be there on your cards. If you are preparing for some competitive exams, good month, please keep preparing for it. Don't leave hope, and keep your mind completely positive, under your control. Keep thoughts under your control. Tell yourself that it is going to happen. This is one of the most important months that will manifest that for you. So if you're preparing for something like a competitive exam, please do that. It is going to give you good results. If you do not have a job and you're looking forward for a job, one, connect with all the people that you can. Keep yourself balanced. Stop overthinking. Ace your mind. When you do that, the job will definitely come, and I see it either coming by mid of the month or towards the end of the month, but it will definitely come. With the business also, stand your ground, be firm, but the growth in the business will come by mid or end of the month, by third week of the month. But there is a possibility of growth undoubtedly, but you'll have to be you'll have to ensure that you speak up, you say things that you need to say, but you also listen to others who are involved into it, because at times the idea that you have in your mind might be very good, but somebody else might have a better idea. So you'll have to speak to the other person to know that idea. If we talk about your soul path, this is the month where only if you heal your emotions, only if you listen to yourself, only if you stop hanging yourself upside down and thinking all the time, you will open up your crown, you will open up your energies, and then the guides and the angel will be able to come through, or you'll be able to figure out your intuition, or there is a possibility that people who are around you, they might just tell you something who you thought are useless, or they can't give you anything in return, and you only have to tell them but not listen to them. If you listen to them, they might just give you something that is the most wonderful thing about your soul growth. That is why it is important that growth this month is not only for you, it's about keeping other people along, taking them along, walking along them. That's when the growth will happen. For your soul growth also, this is something which is very important. Your chakra of the month this month are two. So there is root chakra and there is crown chakra, and I think with these two chakras, I kind of see that if you have time, please do all chakra meditation, because root to crown, it is all connected. And I kind of see that because you need to stand firm on your ground, but you have to at the same time ace your emotions or express your emotions, and then there is a lot of receiving that is going to happen. Your crown or third eye needs to be opened up. That is why all chakra meditation is going to be amazingly well for you, going to work amazingly well for you. So please practice all chakra meditation. You'll find it on the internet, YouTube videos. There's a lot of it. There is one on my channel, it's in Hindi, so I don't think that will benefit you much, though the mantras are definitely in Hindi everywhere. The mantras are the same, but still find something that helps you, and please put in those 20-25 minutes, or even if you know the mantras, you can put like 7 minutes, 1 minute for each chakra, and just do that mantra for each chakra, and that will help you. But please do chakra meditation this month. If we talk about what is that your mental exercise of the month. Your mental exercise of the month is completion. And completion, see, this is a puzzle, and the puzzle is only complete when you put all the pieces together, and that is what you're not doing. You're putting in your pieces, but you're not taking all the pieces together. So this month, affirm that I allow myself to look at the bigger picture. I allow myself to work for my growth along with the growth of others. I allow myself to express my emotions and understand the emotions of others, and I allow myself to see the maximum growth this month. So please do that affirmation. It is going to help you really well. Like, this is going to help you get the best out of this month. What is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month? It's Pentacle 10. Pentacle 10 is happy family, is abundance. It's keeping everybody together. It's working for the growth of everyone, taking care of everyone but yourself also. And that is why I said it is very important that you work with other people. It is very important to express yourself to others. And if there is at all you cannot express yourself to your family members, to seek a help of a counselor, seek a help of a guide, seek a help of a friend. It's okay to speak up your mind, but speak up your mind somewhere who can help you ace your emotions, who can help you address your emotions. That's going to be very, very important this month. Number of the month for you is going to be number 2. Color of the month, any shade of red, silver, indigo, dark blue, or any shade of purple is going to be good for you. And please like the videos and share the videos with everyone, and subscribe the channel. That really helps me. And what if you follow the advices that are given in the cards? The card is Justice. Now if you see and look at the card of Justice, it's a card of Libra, but it's your card also because there is a sword. And if you see in this card, she's holding a sword, and it's not gender specific. She's holding a sword and she's holding weighing scales. This means that you're ready for action. She's not blindfolded. So you're looking at the truth, you're ready for the action, but you're weighing your steps and words at the same time. And if you do, there is growth around. And that is why this month will lead you towards growth if you keep everyone together, if you weigh your emotions, if you weigh your words, and if you express yourself. Because swords are about expressing. Swords are about saying things. But there's a weighing scale, and that means that you don't let this sword cut you or cut anybody else, because there is a weighing scale. So you balance things. And that's how this month is going to be for you. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box, or through comment section. You'll just have to write, I want my reading. I can send you my WhatsApp number and we can connect from there. Also, I've started a series on tarot reading, learning tarot reading. So if you're interested in that, you can go to the playlist and find that. There is a series on soul growth. What is soul, where it comes from, how is your life different, how is your life difficult. So you can actually start seeing that also. That will help you develop spiritually. And there are a lot of other videos also, tips about life, tips about growing your life in a particular way, balancing your life, balancing yourself, cleansing your energy, protecting your energy. So there are a lot of videos on my channel. So please if you find out time, go to the playlists, visit playlists and see those videos. They will really be helpful for you. And if you find anything helpful, please share it with everybody so that other people also can get help from this. I will see you with the next month predictions, or through the series that I'm working upon. And till then, please take care of yourself, be safe, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.